Are you looking for the best budget 4K projectors? In this video we will look at some of the best budget 4K projectors on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. JMG-ON1S 4K. JMG-ON1S 4K projector brings an immersive cinematic experience straight to your home. With 4K UHD resolution and HDR10, it delivers rich colors and high contrast for crisp, detailed visuals in every frame. Its 200-inch screen ensures a theater-grade experience without leaving home. 10W dual Dolby audio speakers provide 360 degrees surround sound, and Blu-ray 3D support offers unmatched realism when paired with active 3D glasses, creating a lifelike world. JMG-ON1S 4K projector features MALC 2.0 pure RGB triple laser technology, delivering industry-leading color performance. Unlike hybrid lasers, it eliminates the color wheel, completely removing the rainbow effect, while LSR speckle reduction enhances clarity. With 110% BT.2020 and 151% DCI-P3 color coverage, it ensures exceptional color precision and contrast. 1100 ISO lumens and 1.07 billion colors produce vivid, stunning visuals on any surface. N1S 4K features integrated gimbal with 127 degrees vertical rotation for easy one-handed adjustment, offering the best angle without extra brackets or mounts. Whether projecting onto walls, ceilings, or outdoors, it adjusts effortlessly. Flexi Smart Adaptive System 2.0 Smart Eye Protection enhances safety for people and pets in motion, while real-time autofocus and keystone correction keep the image crisp and squared for perfect viewing experience. Number 2. JMG-ON1S Pro. Effortlessly access pre-installed certified Netflix, 10,000 plus apps, and 800 plus free live channels via Google TV. Use Google Assistant for hands-free control, Chromecast for seamless streaming. Enjoy a vast content library with an intuitive remote and personalized recommendations. Dive into the richest colors with 4K resolution, stunning 1600:1 FOFO contrast, and the industry's widest color spectrum, making every scene as vibrant as real life. Enjoy instantly aligned, crystal clear images at all times. The integrated gimbal keeps flawless visuals wherever you place the projector, at any angle. Automatically perfect your view with brightness and color tuning, smart eye protection, screen fitting, object avoidance and lossless zoom, all tailored to your space for effortless setup. Boasts HDMI 2.1 YARC, 4K 240Hz transmission, paired with 17 milliseconds ultra-low latency and auto-low latency mode, ALLM, perfect for fast-paced gaming without lag. Dual 20W speakers with Dolby Digital Plus envelop you in rich, multidimensional sound, with deep 45Hz bass that fills the room. Number 3. GOI 2000 ANSI. With upgrade 2000 ANSI lumens of brightness, enjoy vivid, true 4K cinematic viewing anytime, even in daylight. Perfect for rooms with some light or outdoor movie nights without compromising image clarity. Plus, our exclusive 360 degrees rotatable stand lets you pivot from wall to ceiling projection in seconds. Perfect for versatile setups, whether you're gaming, bedtime stargazing, or presenting. The 4K projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is pre-installed licensed apps, which allows us to stream contents directly from apps like Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Disney+, Huawei without extra devices. Moreover, experience cinema-grade audio with our 36W DUIBY-supported stereo speakers, with one-touch surround sound activation. Featuring deep bass and crystal-clear highs, it delivers room-filling sound perfect for movie nights, parties, or outdoor gatherings. The go-to projector 4K projects a 100-inch image from just 8 feet, 30% closer than standard home projectors, others require 10.8 feet. With same projection distance, the image size is 30% larger than others. Contrast is the difference between the darkest part of the image and the brightest. 50:0:0:1 ratio delivers deeper blacks and brighter whites, no washed-out images, just lifelike clarity. Adjust from 50-inch to 500, 4 to 25 feet distance, the largest scalable display in its class. Number 4. Dangbei MP1 Max. This advanced MP1 Max 4K projector combines a hybrid triple laser plus LED engine with 3100 ISO lumens brightness for ultra-clear daytime viewing. Supporting 110% BT.2020 color gamut and Delta E1 professional color accuracy, it delivers vivid, true-to-life visuals in any environment. The Dangbei MP1 Max is a next-generation smart projector powered by Instant Pro AI. It features autofocus, auto keystone correction, screen fit, obstacle avoidance, and AI brightness adjustment based on ambient light. Enjoy instant, optimized setup and flawless projection anytime. Unlike traditional home projectors, this all-in-one unit includes a built-in stand with 360 degrees horizontal rotation and 135 degrees vertical tilt. Whether on a table, shelf, or tripod, the MP1 Max 4K projector offers full placement freedom, no extra accessories needed. Equipped with dual 12W speakers, a 750 cubic centimeters acoustic chamber, and a bass reflex system, the MP1 Max creates powerful surround sound down to 45 Hz. With support for Dolby Audio and DTS-X, it offers a cinema-grade audio experience in a compact projector form. Number 5. Orzen Boom Mini. Unlock truly unlimited content, experience the convenience of a true smart projector with built-in, officially certified Google TV. Instantly access a vast library of over 10,000 apps, including premium streaming services like Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, Prime Video, Hulu, HBO, Peacock and Paramount Plus directly, all without the need for extra dongles or sticks. From the moment you power on, enjoy a streamlined, secure, and smooth entertainment hub. Command the Boom Mini movie projector with your voice using built-in Google Assistant. Effortlessly cast videos from any device, and enjoy complete peace of mind with an exclusive Kids mode. This feature automatically manages screen time and filters content, creating a safe and worry-free movie environment for the entire family. Experience cinema-grade immersion with 20W high-power speakers and Dolby audio optimization. The innovative rear-firing visible design isn't just for show, it utilizes a dedicated acoustic cavity to produce remarkably deep bass and crystal-clear highs, transforming every movie night or even a spooky Halloween thriller into a captivating auditory journey. Boom Mini Outdoor Projector delivers a stunning 1080p native resolution with 4K support, powered by 500 SGS certified ANSI lumens and HDR10. As an industry leader in transparency, Orzen's proactive SGS certification, ANSI/ISO 21118, guarantees honest brightness, cutting through exaggerated claims to ensure every detail is rendered with crisp, vibrant, and trustworthy clarity, whether mounted as a ceiling projector or used on a tabletop.